Hi friends, welcome back. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Mitzy. Today I'm going to be decorating my bedroom. It's a big mess like always, you guys. I always seem to put everything in here and just kind of like hide it from the living room and the kitchen area. But today I'm going to be cleaning it because I am going to be decorating it for Christmas, and I think it came out so beautiful, you guys. I don't know why I don't keep it clean the whole time, but we're going to focus on that today, and I'm going to be putting up my Christmas tree. And you guys, these pink Christmas trees right here, I did go back to Hobby Lobby and I returned them. I couldn't find a spot for them. They really didn't go with my gingerbread decor, even though I tried to make it work, but it just didn't work. So I returned them, and I don't remember what I purchased. I think it was just like little crafts. I've been into purchasing little crafts lately, and I don't really do any DIYs, you guys. I'm not the best at them, but I try. I buy a whole bunch of little crafts and I just end up storing them. I actually need to buy a storage bin for those. I saw one on Amazon the other day. It's like a pink one. It's kind of like a suitcase kind of thing. But you guys, this drawer right here that I have, I've been wanting to put my Cricut machine in there for the longest time, but since I had my jeans in there, for some reason I kept putting my Cricut in my closet, and it was a big mess. Like, my closet is out of control as well. One of these days I'll have to show you guys my closet. I need to get rid of a lot of clothes that I don't wear. I don't know about you guys, but ever since like COVID, I don't even wear half of my wardrobe. I feel like I'm always in the same jeans and the same t-shirt. I have like a problem finding jeans because I don't know, I feel like none of them fit me well, and if I find a pair, I want to buy all of them in my size that they have. But today, you guys, we're gonna focus on cleaning my bedroom, so come along with me and let's clean together. Let's get motivated to clean our bedroom and make it feel cozy for the holiday. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys decorate your bedroom for the holidays. So now I'm just gonna finish cleaning and decorating my room, but I'm gonna play some music for you guys so you guys can enjoy the video.
Christmas. each time. See, the hero gets the girl, and I got a Merry Christmas crush. There's nothing like a fire, like angels in the snow. I never will be tired of this adorable season. Got a real feel-good flow. Oh, and every carol is a rush. Got a Merry Christmas crush. Tonight I wanna celebrate. Tonight I wanna dream away. See the shimmer in the eyes of every happy Christmas child. A Merry, Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. A Merry, Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you. Let's have a joyful night.